Okay, so we've been working with this Target publication that uses text images for headlines. So I'm going to show you how to make that. Here's this nice one that they have the big bubbly letters. This is the one that I came up with in Word, and we're going to make a new one in this app called Font Candy. Font Candy is a free app, and it is in the App Store. I'm not sure if it's available on Android, but there should be others that work sort of just the same. So one of the problems is that I'm going to be typing in white on white. I'll need to change the color in just a second. So let me just type first title practice. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just hit this and change the color to yellow. That way we can, well, I'll do purple. That way we can see it. And I can see that it's misspelled. So title practice. All right, we'll hit the check mark again. Now, the first thing, so you've got a slider, then you've got this letter A, right? This letter A gives you all the fonts available in Font Candy. I really like this one, this Cubop. So we'll work with that one for now. It's not super easy to read. You might end up wanting to go with something a little more readable. But it's my class and I get to pick. So Cubop it is. Once you've done the font and the color you like, you can change the size. Okay. I'm going to make it like that. You can change the spacing or the kerning. I'm going to make mine a little tighter. If it's a 2-line font, so let's say you do that, you can move the spacing of the lines between each other. But I don't really want mine to be that big, so I just want it to be straight across there. You can add shadow. I don't really want that though. You can rotate if you wish. You can also curve it into a nice smile. Anyway, that's nice. If it's a 2-line title, you can also, you can justify it either way, but center justify, using the eraser will, limit the editing, don't do that. And then just hit the check mark. Okay, so there are other things in Font Candy that you can do. You can add artwork. You can see here some of it is pro level and some of it is not. You can also use templates. Some of them are funny, some of them are about friendship. You can do any number of things. Really like the color and the let's see, we'll go to the dividers here and scroll through. Like, here's a nice line we can add. Okay, I'll hit the check mark and then we'll color everything purple just so we can see it. And then we'll click on that line and how about we'll choose a nice yellow, kind of a gold, because that is the thing that I want. So we're going to make this bigger. Okay, and then we'll center it a little bit better. Oh, that's the text itself, but that worked out. All right, so that's going to be my title. Now, you can't see it very well, but there is a watermark that says made by Font Candy. That's okay to keep. And you can save your image by clicking the little save button at the top. It'll save your project to your camera roll or wherever your pictures are on your phone. So I'm going to go to my pictures. Actually, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to my pictures. I think I accidentally got out of my pictures a moment ago. So here it is. Okay. The problem that I'm going to have is it's going to be a little too big in the Word document. So I'm going to crop it closer. And in my Works Cited page, I would credit Font Candy so that, here, let me undo that little highlighter mark. So we're just going to keep that there. And then we'll go here to my horrible word art title that I made a moment ago. And instead of having that, we will insert the image we just made. If you go to mobile view, oh, it's above the picture of Henry. So I wonder why that is. Because it's in the right place here. Anyway, you can see that it's in the right place there. And I can play with it some more to make sure that it doesn't end up in the wrong place altogether. So that's how we've done it. And I think that title looks a lot better than the one we had before.